Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a bunch of circles. Not just any old circles. These circles are a part of the fruit of life, which is the blueprint for the flower of life. These circles can become the template for all sorts of drawing magic. I'm also going to show you how to rule in some triangles, and you can take it from there. What you'll need is a circle template. Or if you want to do it right now, you can use anything round that you can easily trace around. So follow along with my instructions here, and I'm going to explain a couple of points that make mindful drawing really powerful. If you're familiar with my mindful drawing tutorials, you'll know that I bang on all the time about focus and attention. Because when you draw with focus and attention, it becomes meditation. Focus and attention switches your mind off from thinking, which never happens unless you make it happen. And what this does is pretty spectacular. When you do it repeatedly, you're creating spaces in this solid thought ceiling that allows new things in. And by new things, I mean better ways of operating your brain that may be stuck in limiting thought patterns like anxiety, worry, fear, programs of I'm not good enough or I can't. Because the truth is you are good enough and you can. You just need to break the pattern that the brain has been trained to operate in. You are the programmer, except most of us don't know this. And you do this by pressing pause on your thoughts through focus and attention. Now, the thing is, with mindful drawing, it's really fun. You get to make cool stuff while you're retraining your brain. And this will flow on into all areas of your life. You get to reprogram yourself. Now, I won't go into it too deep here, except to tell you that you should totally try it if you want to crack into the next level of your life. It's a fun way to meditate and program yourself that you are a powerful creator, because guess what? You are. And if you want to know more about mindful drawing, how it works and why, head on over to my website and I'll explain it all to you right there. You will never know what is possible unless you dive in and just give it a go. You've got absolutely nothing to lose except some low frequency programs, and you've got a whole lot to gain.